drill a hole using area clearance strategy. So this time it's going to be a little different because the start depth is going to be minus 10, and we're going to finish at, because the 6mm end mill extends I think 35 millimeters out from the end of the chuck, so we're going to go to 32, and we're going to in actual fact, there's no need to put a minus there, it already knows. End mill. Yeah, this is all okay. Use that strategy. Ramp in moves, and okay, this is cut number 5. Cut 5, and it's a 6mm end mill, and we'll calculate that, and there it is. That's done. Switch that off. Now the next one, you must remember, is on the other side, so we're going to have to actually take the material off the boss that it's on, turn it over, screw it on, and then centralize it and cut this from the other direction. So this time we're going to choose this inner circle and this outer circle because it's already going to be machined down to here, and then we're going to choose an area clearance, start off at 0, and finish depth is 20. Ooh, that was 10. 20. And it's again 6mm. It'll do it quite quickly. I mean, you don't have to use a 6mm for this, you can use a larger one, but I use the same tool, it's very easy. This time we're going to go 60mm a second and 18,000 RPM. And like I say, it'll do it quite quickly. Offset strategy. And we're going to do the outside in this time. Start on the outside and come in. In actual fact, what it will do is probably, I'm not sure about this till I cut it, it'll cut from the outside in part of the way, then come inside and cut out. It may do. Ramp angles, in fact I think that's what it's going to do. And this is cut 6. And it's a 6mm. End mill. But this time I'm going to remind myself, I'm just going to put here top, just to indicate to myself that, hey, you know, you've got to turn the piece over here, because when you're very busy sometimes you can think, oh, what's this for? So just an abbreviation indication that tells you what it is. And I can tell by the arrows here, right, the direction. Now the outer part goes this way. Oh, I think, yeah, the outer part goes this way and the inner part goes that way. So yes, it will cut partly on the outside here, then come on the inside and cut the other direction from the inside, and it'll rotate out. So that's okay. And really that's it. That's the whole thing. apart from when this is turned over and you cut this, you can use cut number, not that one, that one, cut number 5 and run it again, because this will be in exactly the same position and it will punch through the hole all the way through. So I've come halfway through from one side and it'll go the rest of the way through from this side. So there you go, that's that. Remembering to put the 0 10 millimeters above the material for that one. Okay, so what we'll do now is I will turn, I don't know if I can turn that off, but this is the process of what it'll do. It'll cut that out. Looks a bit weird because that the last cut that it did then, it actually cut the material that would have been away there. Not sure if I can do it individually. Yes, I can. I can do, let me see what I'll do here. Okay, so that one there is that, and I think I can, I've got it here. So there it is, there's the machine doing the actual cut. And of course, after taking all the corners off, it'll come and do the finishing cut, as you've previously seen, but that's just it. And what I'm trying to do here is relate the cut on the program to the cut on the actual material. Okay, cut number 2 now is the pocket inside, and there it goes there. And here it is in the actual process. You can see that I've actually slowed the feed rate down. And so on and so forth till it's finished. Now cut number 3 and number 4 I didn't actually film, but I think you get the general idea. This is cut number 3. It's the slot. Bang, there it goes. Cut number 4 is the little cut across it. Boom, there it is. Cut number 5 is the hole down through. There it goes. Let's turn that off a second. And we'll actually move that around a bit. There it is there. And in actual fact, I'll come to it right now, I think. And there it is there being machined. Very, very gently, very, very slowly. Working its way down in. And of course, cut number 6 is we would have turned the material up, and there's another 20mm stub. It looks something like this. Okay. And in real life it looks like this. And of course I've just pocketed the hole by using cut number 5, and this is the process of something like this. I like to actually slow the feed rate down using NC Street Studio and just making sure everything's okay, and then I speed it up. a little, and I think I speed you up even further. But you get the general idea if you see the video preceding this. It'll show you the whole thing. But you can see it gives a very good, nice, clean cut, and you really wouldn't get a better cut on a lathe. So there you go. Thank you for watching.